Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be doing a speaker test between the ZTE Axon 7 Mini and the HTC U11. The Axon 7 Mini is a Dolby certified phone with front-facing, very powerful stereo speakers, whereas on the U11 we got the BoomSound setup. You got one speaker at the front and then you got one speaker at the bottom. So it'll be interesting to see how these phones fare up. I've got the same track on both the phones and the volume is also at max. So I'll be playing this track back and forth a few times and we'll see which one sounds better. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started. Let's start off things with the ZTE Axon 7 Mini. Over to U11. Okay, this sounds very close to me, to be honest. I think from what I can hear, the ZTE Axon 7 Mini sounds a bit more fuller. It's got a bit more bass to it, whereas the U11, even though being louder, it sounds a bit more tinier. So it's not as full as you have the sound on the Axon 7 Mini. So it's very difficult to see which one sounds better. Obviously, it all depends the way, the kind of music that you like, and every person obviously listens to it in a different way. And I'm not going to jump into any conclusions just yet. So let's hear it for a few more minutes and see how it goes. Also, one more thing I can notice, there's a bit of distortion on the U11 because I've got the volume high, but obviously that's no excuse. Even at max volume, the sound shouldn't distort. On the Axon 7 Mini, it's very full, like I said earlier, it's very uniform, it's not distorting even at high volumes. Okay, I think the U11 definitely sounds louder, but like I said, it's a bit tinier and the sound is a bit distorting at max volumes. Whereas on the Axon 7 Mini, the sound is more fuller, it's more uniform and together, and it's not distorting. However, both sound very, very nice. So let me know in the comment section, guys, what you think. I wanted to do a quick test to give you an idea how does the U11 stands against the Axon 7 mini. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. Any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. And like always, please subscribe as it helps, and I shall see you in the next video.